Happy 4th of July, Independence Day. Fire up the grill, burgers and dogs for everyone. Go out, play some baseball, discuss how no other country in the world can... So raise hell, cook out, and let's get rid of Brandon. Figured we'd do a little hot dogging ourselves. And I'll stop with the fast forward action. Had to find smaller streets. Anymore, sure, it might seem like the end of the world. Can't help but laugh. I'm feeling festive. I got Ride1Up REVV all dolled up. If you want to skip ahead, I toured the village of Richmond at 5 minutes 25, and I toured the golf cart path in Brownwood Square at 8 minutes 10. Or just stick it out and get to see what I do. Starting along the numerous ponds in my own neighborhood. Dozens upon dozens of these reservoirs are scattered through every village here. After heavy rainfall, it strategically fills the reservoirs, doesn't flood out like Miami, which in turn drives the sprinkler system used for lawns. Couple interesting points: each pond gets one alligator, which then eats any smaller rival gator that comes into its turf. And also at night there's billions of bugs out there. Definitely wear your safety glasses. Coming around Little Lake Okahumpka. It said the villages just a decade or so ago was all swamplands and marsh, and they built all this developmental property right here on it. Leading up to 4th of July, I found a car show filled with Corvettes, classics, and even some stock cars. With 3 or 4 rows of Corvettes, see if there's one in particular that stands out to you. And while I certainly understand my heritage, you can't mess with American muscle. On to an arts and crafts show leading up to 4th of July, packed with vendors. I was shocked at the number of different tents up. Keep in mind, summer's not the busy season, or else this place would be shoulder to shoulder packed. Even missed my 4th of July deadline, but without further ado, I'm gonna head out to the U.S. Armed Forces Memorial at Eisenhower Rec Center. We're gonna hit a couple tunnels and pop up on Buena Vista Boulevard, and it's right there on the left. Just short of Sweet Gum and Mangrove Executive Golf Course. 2 of over 70, I believe. You'll say what you will, but I think the villages are a brilliantly designed plan. Especially for being an uninhabitable swamp just years ago. Thank you to all 5 branches of our U.S. military. I'd say this calls for a Van Halen solo. Cut to this clip where we'll shoot through Edward Scissorhands' neighborhood, which is also referred to as the village of Richmond, the brand new village of the villages. With close to, if not 1,000 homes in itself. Starting on the southern tip, which is Richmond Pitch and Play, executive par 3 course, we're gonna make our way north. That's right, I find myself back in Brownwood Paddock Square. Thought I'd give you a tour of the golf cart paths surrounding Brownwood. It just goes on and on. We conclude rolling through Brownwood once more, seeing some hidden spots. Like the grandiose parking lot of the Brownwood Sales and Information Office. The fabulous Thunderbirds.